guys, so guess what I just had to do? The kids are down for a nap, and I go out for a cigarette, and Panda was halfway over the fence again. So I had to go out there and holler at my other neighbor, Teresa, to get their attention, right? So, they could get him, and we had to basically bust down the fence to get him over the fence. Because we were trying to back him up, but he wasn't going back, so he went forward. So, yeah. Guys, that horse, man. That horse, he is just... She just put out food for him and everything. And he just decided he was going to go over the fence again. So... And they invited us to their kid's birthday party Saturday. I don't think we're going to go, but hey. So, yeah, I just had to deal with that horse again. Yeah. Which I need to go out in the garage real quick and check to see if my kittens are out there. I haven't seen them since that big rain, and I'm kind of worried about them. Plus, I need to get a case of water anyways. So, music helps my kids go to sleep, so that's why the radio's on. Check and see if these kittens are in the garage. I have no idea where they went. There. I don't know where they went. I haven't seen them all day, and I'm kind of worried. I don't know where they went. I'll check the back garage. See if they're back here, maybe. I have no clue where they went. No idea. They disappeared. I haven't seen them, and I don't know where they went. So, we had a big rain yesterday, and they disappeared. I have no clue where they went. So, I don't know, guys. I think my kitties, like, flew the coop. I haven't seen them all day. I have no idea where they went. Where's your babies? I have no idea where they went, guys. I'm like clueless. So I can't stay out here too long. The kids are napping. Where's your babies? You don't know? No? Well, I don't know either. But they're missing. I have no idea where those kittens went. They like disappeared. I have no clue where they went. So, I don't know. I might not even have to worry about naming them. Getting them fixed, because I think they took off. I'm gonna go out front. Maybe they're in the front. I'm gonna check the side over here. See if they may be in there. Guys, I'm gonna try and find these kids. I have no idea where they went. I think something happened to them. Because I can't find them. They go very far, but Hmm. Oh, look at that. I think they'd be gone. Where's your babies? They didn't squeeze under the big garage door, did they? I don't know where they went. I'm missing. I don't think they could squeeze under there, but maybe they can. I don't know, guys. I'm missing. So, horses and cats, man. Horses and cats. Rogue's here. I don't know where the kittens are. She's been hanging around, so I don't know. I think they're MIA. I'm gonna check this garage real quick. I don't know, guys. I think my kittens are gone. I think something happened to them. Because I haven't seen them all day. And Rogue's been hanging around front all day. So I don't know. I think they're gone. So, yeah. Horses and cats. Horses and cats. I love it. And it's windy here today, but I think the tropical storm's over us by now. Because it's Wednesday. So. I don't know. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. And if I find the kittens, I will let you guys know. But as of right now, I have no clue where they went. No clue. No clue at all. So, I'm gonna go.